Welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand. So in this series of Python interview questions, we will be seeing a questions on list. Let's say interviewer asks you to find the second largest number from the list. He can give you the list like this, and he expecting to write a function that will determine the second largest number. So we will write the function, let's say second largest number, and we are expecting num as argument. First, we will check the length. So length of like uh, list is greater than 2. If it is less than 2, which means like this is not a right number. So we will be just returning nothing, or we'll say that this is not a number. So I'll just repeat a none to make it uniform, whatever we are returning. We will be declaring two number, first and second, to just compare. So if you can see, like first and second number we have initialized with the float inf infinitive number, and we will be iterating the number that we have passed here in the list. So in the next step we will be saying for n in number, so we'll be checking iterating, and we'll first check if the number which we are iterating, if it is greater than the first number. So if the number which we iterate, obviously the first iteration it will be greater, since we have here declare the float as an infinitive number. So in this case it will be greater. So here we will be just like doing a first round of iteration. So first value we will be defining in the second variable, and whatever the number is there, right, so that we will be assigning to the first variable. If the condition is not matched, then we will be assigning second as the number. Now once our operation is done, right, so we will be just returning the second number. We'll be checking if it is not equal to the initialized number that we have defined here, so we will be return the second number, else we'll return the num. So let's print this here. So I'll just say print second largest number, and I'm printing this number. Let me just execute this. Yeah. So we can see from the list, right? 99 is the largest number, but 45 is the second largest. Let's say if the interviewer is saying that this is fine, but he needs some other solution, right? If we can provide that, that is also achievable. What we can do, right? So we have these numbers handy in the list, and we will be doing a sort method. So what we can say, numbers defined again. So we'll be saying sorted the numbers, and we will be sorting in a reverse order. So I'll say reverse is true, which means like the number is being sorted from top to like 99 is the highest, so which will be at the index 0, and second 45 will be at the index first. So we know that if we want like the number to be present at the first index, which means like first I mean the index start with the 0. So 0 means like will be the highest one, and the at the first index it will be the second highest number. So we will be just printing second index. So I'll say print, I would say index of 1 here. So let me just execute that. Here I'll just change the number so that we can very well demonstrate. Let me just execute this. Yeah, so in the second case, we can see that the second largest number we have obtained is a 47. So there are two methods by which we can achieve. First, using the sorted method, by which we are just sorting in a reverse order and opting the sorted of first index, that will give us the 47. And here in the first option that we have seen, we are just comparing the number and iterating through the for loop and just swapping the values among the variables. So if the number is greater than first, then we are just doing a swapping here. If it is less than number, second number, and it is not equal to first, then we are just assigning to the second variable. So I hope you have understood how we can figure out the second largest number from the given list. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like my work, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.